Hi, in this video, I'm gonna be walking through can we lock our WhatsApp chat without fingerprint? Let's find this question. So I'm going to open in my WhatsApp app and let's open this chat and tapping on the chat name. And here, let's enable chat lock option. Continue. And as you can see, here showing up confirm face or fingerprint to lock. So currently, WhatsApp provide only two options to lock and unlock any WhatsApp chat. One is Face ID and another is fingerprint. So currently, here is no option to lock any WhatsApp chat with pattern or password. So if your phone supports Face ID or fingerprint, go ahead and verify your fingerprint or Face ID to lock the specific chat. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.